Close your eyes and imagine this, a quiet morning in Bagong Bayan. A man standing alone, surrounded by soldiers. He's unarmed, calm, and prepared to die. No battle, no army, just one man, whose final breath would ignite the greatest revolution in Philippines history. This is the story of Jose Rizal, the man whose death awakened a nation. In the days leading to his execution, Rizal remained steady and composed. He wrote letters, prayed quietly, and finished Mi Ultimo Adios, a poem that would later become the voice of Filipino freedom. Although accused of rebellion, he stood firm. He wanted reform, education, and dignity for his people. Yet to the Spanish authorities, these mismo ideas were far too dangerous. Rizal's novels, Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, exposed the cruelty of colonial rule. His writings opens the eyes of Filipino who had long been silent. He taught them to question justice, to stand on their rights, and to recognize themselves as one nation. To Spain, this awakening was a threat that had me to stop. On December 30, 1896, Rizal marched to Bagong Bayan under heavy guard. He refused a blindfold. He stood tall, calm, and unbroken. At 7:03 a.m., the rifles fired. Rizal fell, turning his body toward the rising sun, a symbol of hope, shining even in death. The Spanish believed they had ended a rebellion, but instead they had created a martyr. The Rizal's execution spread across the island like wildfire. Villages mourned, students cried, reformers lost hope for peaceful change. For many Filipinos, his death was the final spark that lit the flame of revolution. Andres Bonifacio and the Katipunan had long admired Rizal. They believed his sacrifice proved that freedom could no longer be begged, for it had been fought for. Bonifacio declared December 30 a national day of mourning and urged the Filipino to be together. Rizal became the moral guide of the revolution, the symbol of the struggle for independence. Rizal's death united Filipinos from different islands, classes, and backgrounds. He awakens their sense of identity as one people, a nation deserving dignity and freedom. His ideas gave the revolution its direction. Its martyrdom gave it its heart. Because of his sacrifice, the revolution was no longer just an uprising. It became a national movement. Rizal may have died in 1896, but his influence did not end there. His writings, values, and courage shaped the minds of future Filipino leaders. From the revolutionaries of 1898 to those who fought in late generations, he taught us the true freedom begins with knowledge, unity, and moral courage. The Spaniards tried to silence Jose Rizal. Instead, they amplified his voice. His execution turned sorrow into determination, and determination into revolution. Rizal died facing the sunrise, and with that sunrise, the Filipino nation is awakened.